Ooh. No, I'm sorry, I was talking to myself, I'm sorry. Did you hear that? You heard that? You talk about present day problems. What does Islam have to say about dating in the younger generation? By the way, older generation too. Which quite many people practice it. It's a problem. Brothers and sisters, let me tell you something. In this society, dating means usually a male and female go together. They go out together somewhere and they, do things. Now, how many brothers here are single and want to get married? Raise your hand. Raise them high. High. Sisters, take a look. No. Listen to what I'm saying. Sisters, take a look. He said, Imam, astaghfirullah. Why? Brother still got his hand up. He ain't going to put it down. Oh, you can put it down now. The reason I say this, Muslim leaders must facilitate Muslim men and women getting married. If we don't allow them an opportunity to meet each other in a wholesome Islamic environment, when will they get a chance to meet each other? Every Muslim leader ought to have, when we have programs like this, give an opportunity to meet the guardians of these sisters, their father. Yes. Brother said to me, Imam Siraj, I'd like to take your daughter to dinner. Can I take her to dinner? I said, sure, brother, you can take my daughter to dinner. You, my daughter, and me. We go to dinner together. You want to do that? So, in Islam, there is no dating as such like that. But if a Muslim man and woman, they meet for the purposes of the desire to get married. And they're seeing if they want to marry the person, not to go on a date. There's no girlfriend, boyfriend in Islam. But everybody knows that, right? Everybody here knows that, right? Yes. Tariq, everybody here knows it, right? Okay. No, I'm not singling out Tariq. So brothers and sisters, what we're saying is this. This thing of dating is very dangerous. One of the problems of America is teenage pregnancy. And it's mind-boggling the number of young teenage girls that are pregnant out of wedlock in this country is scary. And the number of abortions as a result of that is frightening. So Islam doesn't accept that thing called dating, but it does accept if a man and woman want to meet together for the purposes of marriage, they should come together with someone else and inshallah see each other. Anyone else?